I just realized my mic was muted the entire fucking time. That's fucking tough. Alright, so we just swept Asia high. So it looks like scenario 2 might be happening here, where we look for a bullish continuation. I like scenario 1. Scenario 1's definitely a higher probability because of where its Asia low is resting. But it should be fucking fine. We're still going at all-time highs. Yeah, that's a day, a fucking daily fair value gap. How many ticks is that down? That's insane. Oh shit. Oh, I'm on paper trading. I should probably get off of that. We're just waiting for this to close. I think it's just going to give me a 5-minute pullback immediately, and if it does, I might off rip enter. I'm not going to lie.
So you also listen to him.
It's a little early, but I might just fucking... I'm that confident in the move. I could be wrong, but... Just going to close bullish above Asia high as well, so that's even more bias. The only thing working against us here is that we're in a premium zone. That's the only thing. And it's not a range kind of day anyways. We're at all-time highs and we're trending up non-stop. There you go. 5-minute bullish fair value gap. And now we just wait for a 5-minute pullback. Bum, bum, bum. Considering how it's only going to be like 35. I've just seen this set up so many times happen and play out, and then it just fucking skyrockets. If it closes above PDH, then I'll just lock it in, and we'll see where we go from there. I'm just going to at least target like 1,500, $2 grand to play safe. Because, I mean, just to the New York AM high, that's already 2,500. Oh. I'll shut my whore mouth. My bad, NASDAQ. Yeah, New York AM high is 300, so that's 3 grand for me now. If I were to enter and it pulled back. Forex Factory looked good too. There's genuinely no red news at all. So that just kind of solidifies in my brain that it's just going to be a bull run day again. So we're just going to look for continuations long. Hopefully we don't get stopped out. It's a strong ass candle.
How far will you punk motherfuckers go for 15 seconds of fame?
Honestly, the nearest draw liquidity at this point would be PDH. Everything's still aligning on there. Bullish. Chop the bull. Bullish. Bullish. Yeah. I'm confident. I should probably wait on this candle, honestly. I'm gonna get so much FOMO if I don't enter on this candle, though. No.
How far will you punk motherfuckers go for 15 seconds of fame? For 15 seconds of fame. How far will you punk motherfuckers go for 15 seconds of fame? I had to tell you something. 15 seconds of fame.
Back the funk, freak the funk, hype the funk, back the funk, freak the funk, hype the funk, back the funk, freak the funk, hype the funk, swipe the funk, and all that junk. Back, back, back. Back, back, back. Back the funk, freak the funk, hype the funk, swipe the funk, and all that junk.
When it comes to betting on the 151st Preakness Stakes, DraftKings is where it happens. Right now, all DraftKings customers can opt in, bet $5 or more on a horse to win Preakness. If your pick crosses the finish line first, you'll win a share of a $151,000 prize pool. Download the DK Horse Racing app and use promo code SPOTIFY. That's code SPOTIFY on DK Horse. Bet $5 or more on a horse to win at the 151st Preakness Stakes for your shot at a piece of $151,000. Only on DraftKings. The crown is yours. Gambling problem? Call 1-800-GAMBLER. 18 and over. 21 and over in certain states to open, own, or access an advanced deposit wagering account and resident of state where DK Horse and DK Racing is available. Eligibility restrictions apply. Void where prohibited. First eligible bet only. Must win to share prize pool. Cash reward via click to claim that expires in 30 days. Limited time offer. See terms at dkhorse.com/bet/offers/details or racing.draftkings.com.
A new day is here, and with it, new styles from Lee made for building what's next. Denim designed for hanging out and made to stand up to the hustle. Tops, jackets, and tees made for attention and with intention. And the newest spring styles for you to make your own. As a 135-year-old denim company, Lee has always built for what's next. Now it's your turn. Find new styles and fits waiting for you now at lee.com/spring. That's lee.com/spring for all things spring.
bringing all the flavor you need. I got you shook up on your knees, cause it's all about the dog in me. I want a freak in the morning, a freak in the evening, just like me. I need a roughneck brother that can satisfy me, just for me, if you are that kind of man. Cause I'm that kind of girl. I got a freaky secret, everybody sing, cause we don't give a damn about a thing. Cause I will be a freak until the day, until the dawn.
I can come back from this.
All through the night to the early morn. Come on and I will take you around the hood, on against the lead. Cause we can, any time of day, it's all good for me. Cause I will be a freak until the day, until the dawn. We can, all through the night to the early morn. Come on and I will take you around the hood, on against the lead. Cause we can, any time of day, it's all good for me.
Sniffing around thunder. Get you. You still streaming?
Make Mother's Day even more special at Whole Foods Market. Kick off brunch or dinner with quality cheese and charcuterie with no synthetic nitrates. Then go seafood. There's an abundance on sale at Whole Foods Market, where it's all sustainable wild caught or responsibly farmed. At the bakery, grab seasonal treats like their strawberry pretzel cream pie. And you can't go wrong with the ready-to-heat quiche Lorraine, deviled eggs, and fresh-cut fruits to go. Celebrate Mom with Whole Foods Market.
They said this place was steps from the water.
We just haven't found the steps yet.
How much did we save?
Enough.
Enough to get lost?
Or you could book a stay with Hilton.
Alright, touch into the bullish fair value gap, the 5 minute.
The Hilton sale is on now. Book on Hilton.com or the Hilton app and save up to 20% to get the stay you expected. When you want savings, not surprises, it matters where you stay. Hilton, for the stay.
Hi. Sorry, did I startle you? When you're used to hearing a certain type of commercial, something like this can, well, take you by surprise. That's kind of how it is with the Lexus RX, a vehicle that has continued to defy expectations for over 25 years. From the first luxury vehicle of its kind, to the first hybrid luxury vehicle, to the only plug-in hybrid worthy of the RX name. We understand you want more than the everyday SUV. And isn't being understood an amazing feeling? Click the banner to discover more. Experience amazing at your Lexus dealer.
To the 305. I'll make your body right. Back to you say you come alive. Got to get back to the 305. Got to get back to the 305. Back to the 305. Got to get back to the 305. Sleep. Wake up. I can't sleep. Wake up. I can't get no sleep. Got to get back to the 305. Got to get back to the 305. Back to the 305. Got to get back to the 305. I can't sleep. Wake up. I can't sleep. Wake up. I can't get no sleep. Got to get back to the 305. Got to get back to the 305. Back to the 305. Got to get back to the 305.
Taking the cuts to rock the whole equator. Check one. Making all the ones, taking the guns. Make one. Checking the cuts to rock the whole equator. Check one. Making all the ones, taking the guns. Check one. Make one. Break your mind like you're pulling a turbo. Checking the cuts to rock the whole equator. Check one. Making all the ones, taking the guns. Make one.
15-minute bullish fair value gap, as well as a 5-minute bullish fair value gap. But we'll see if it closes underneath. If we get a sweep here and then rejects, that would be beautiful.
Check one. Checking the cuts to rock the whole equator. Check one. Making all the ones, taking the guns. Make one. Checking the cuts to rock the whole equator. Check one. Making all the ones, taking the guns. Make one.
Okay, we're finally breaking out of the chop slowly on the 1 hour. Chilling. finally going bullish again. Good deal. Let's wait for a fair value gap. Well, there's a tiny one right there, but still. Gap, though small. Forest Factory, what's going on right now? Oh, it's 10 a.m. existing home sales. What's going on, AJ? Disrespected the 5-minute bearish candle though. We're about to. If this closes above here and we get a pullback right back into it, that's gonna be a beautiful setup. That's gonna be like a $2 grand setup right there. Alright, we touch PDH again. This is the, what, third touch? Fourth touch. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll see what happens here. It's still a draw liquidity, but we also have New York AM high, which I could use as a potential target. I got you. So, there's a little gap right here between these 3 bearish candles, and that's it creates a bearish fair value gap. That basically just means price is more likely to go bearish off of that. It's like the market losing money, or like a hole in the market's wallet, or whatever you want to fucking say. So if this bullish candle closes above the bearish imbalance here, the fair value gap, then that pretty much means that we just disrespected shorts and we're looking for longs. And I mean, on the higher time frames, right? Long. That's long trending, long trending. 1 hour's a little bit chop, but we're finally breaking out of that. And then the 15-minute, we're also chopping a little bit, but should be a straight bullish trend here. I'm just hoping to ride it once I get a 5-minute candle that looks like a pullback, or a 5-minute candle close, whatever you want to call it. And we're also resting in a higher time frame fair value gap as well, which was respected. It closed inside of it, but it did break underneath it. So we're just waiting.
151st Preakness Stakes, DraftKings is where it happens. Right now, all DraftKings customers can opt in. Bet
Close above
$5
that
or more
bitch.
on a
Come
horse
on,
to win
30
Preakness.
seconds.
If your pick crosses the finish line first, you'll win a share of a $151,000 prize pool. Download the DK Horse Racing app and use promo code Spotify. That's code Spotify on DK Horse.
It's really cool. So I mean, the way I picture imbalances, this is a good example back here, the 7 a.m. candle. There's space between these 3 candles right here. Because the second candle is a bullish candle, that makes it a bullish fair value gap. It's basically like I use this analogy in another video. It's like you're taking your girlfriend on a date or fiance on a date, right? And you lost your wallet. You just drop it. You're gonna obviously go back and look for your wallet, right? So that's what the market tends to do, right? So that's what market tends to do. They jump into the fair value gap. It comes back and picks up its wallet, and then where do you go after you get your wallet? Probably back to your fiance, wherever the fuck you left her, right? So then it goes right back up. Now in this situation, it went up like 100 ticks. That would have been 2 grand if you use 2 contracts. And then this right here is creating a bullish fair value gap as well. If this closes bearish, I'm gonna, or doesn't disrespect this fair value gap, that'd be fucking sweet as well. Did it just cover it? It didn't just cover it. Damn. It's shooting up. There is still one there, but it's really... Okay, there's not one there anymore. Holy shit. Inverse? Do I want to risk an inverse? So pretty much we're just waiting. Waiting and hoping. It did create a fair value gap here. It's just rejecting off of PDH a little hard. And that's bothering me a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. It did respect bullish structure though. This is shocking. So that doesn't exist anymore, so this is the primary displacement. All right, close above PDH. Like 1500 there. If we get a pullback, it's about what? 17. There it is. Okay, cool. New fair value gap. Let's see if it gives me a nice little pullback. Understood my mistake. Please don't go any further then. I will actually cry.
1, 2.
That's a doji. Bullish close too. Gone. Reduced to atoms. This close is bearish. I'm gonna go long. 4 minutes on it though, so we're just waiting. It might just sweep New York AM high though. Just straight up. That's always a potential. Yep. Alright, I'm back. Come on, if this is a bearish close, this is the greenest trade ever. Assuming appropriate risk. Damn, I don't think it's gonna close.
right window treatments change everything. Your sleep, your privacy, the way every room looks
Nope,
and feels.
not a bullish close, not a bearish close.
We've spent 30 years making it surprisingly simple to get exactly what your home needs. We've covered over 25 million windows.
On God, I might just put a limit buy order at the 15-minute fair value gap high.
Measure to install, we have you covered. Real design professionals, free samples, zero pressure. Right
And
now,
just hope
get up to 45%
that
off
goes
with minimum purchase.
swimmingly.
Plus, get a free professional measure at blinds.com. Rules and restrictions apply.
Hey, Ohio, this is Lieutenant Governor Jim Tressel. Since 1975, seat.
Nina? Why are you bringing up the Full Metal Alchemist girl? What the fuck? She didn't deserve that. Unless we're trying to say the N-bomb, and you can't because it's YouTube chat. That's funny. Yeah, you are. That's hilarious. This might be our entry. Of course it is crazy. You know, some people think that Dad did nothing wrong because he did it in order to advance science, and they do fucked up shit all the time. And the only reason we are today is because people did fucked up shit at one point and ruined their entire life. It's a crazy, crazy fucking take. Yeah, the bull. Yeah, the fucking bronze bull. That was a shit. I would hate to go out like that.
They killed the guy who invented it.
Did they really?
Yeah, they did it in front of the king. He ordered the guy to be like,
Oh, you made this? Alright, test it out then. Show me it work.
that's basically, I don't know what else to say. He's like, yo, this peasant made this, prove it. And it fucking worked. Died. I don't know what else. It's like that one Bible. Cut the baby in half. I don't know what they expected.
Like, come on, bro. Like, come on.
I don't know what the king was expecting. Shoving someone inside a golden bowl and lighting a fire under him with no, like, air or anything. I don't know.
Yeah, that's fucked up.
What?
The bull. Come on, close bearish for me. I would love it if you closed lower bearish on that. Ooh, it's choppy. Holy shit. I might just skip trading today if it doesn't give me anything until 11. Don't you dare close beneath the low of that candle. I will. Just New York AM high can just be the easy target. That's nice. Alrighty. Huge. I like it. 177. That's a strong candle. Close above PDH though. Reject. Post above. I am in longs. All right. How much do I really have to risk here? I feel pretty safe with it there, honestly. I'll take it there. It's only 58 ticks, so that kind of worries me, but it should be fine. Let's continue. Yeah, that's fucked. Alrighty. That's a losing trade for the day. Oh, fuck. It's fucking tough. Alright. Tomorrow is a huge comeback day. Dude, it was just choppy as fuck today. Honestly, I probably should have just avoided trading entirely. Look at those candles side by side. That should have been a dead giveaway. Everything was just screaming bullish to me, though. If I entered right here, maybe. Yeah, that would have been, what, 1500 was my TP, so that could have fucking hit, but I moved my stop loss up too quick. Oh no, that was on me. My original entry should have been... I entered on this candle back here. That should be where it was. There it is. Yeah, because then it created a fair value gap, and then it pushed down, and then it hit my stop loss in the fair value gap. But it was a break even, so it's fine. Yeah, this is dumping. Part of me just wants to catch this wave. I'm not gonna. Let's get it.
Oh, distract him yawn and close my face.
Mute.